Let's find the project for this week. The Thomas Kinkade Disney coloring book. Okay. Flipping through, I liked this page. I used my color stripes to find the matching color. I always start with the sky in those pictures. I then moved on below the sea. And then this happened. I left the book next to my window and the wind blew it open during the night and the rain got in, and now my whole book looks like this. Being that far in the project, I decided to move on and use the same page moving forward. I like to start with a light layer of colors so I can match them better, and then going a few times over them to deepen the pigments and the colors. I then use a blender to give it the final touch. If you're trying to start this hobby, a blender is amazing. You should invest in one. I have my favorite blender in the description down below. I was using my Caran Luminance for the whole picture and they worked perfectly. In this coloring books, I always do the backgrounds, the skies first to get them out of the way and do the characters last. What I like about coloring, we know that the shirt is white that he wears, and that was the only color I didn't use for him, and you still know it's a white shirt. I then moved on to the tail of Ariel using my greens and blues. The effect worked pretty well. I then found out that they forgot to draw in her hand. So while the camera focused on my hand, I drew hers. I heard from many who are afraid to start this book. I encourage you to just do it. Even though the pic does not look exactly as the original on the other side, I like filling them out. Here are the two Thomas Kinkade coloring books that there are. You see that the difference is in the details. You see it in Jasmine's hair here and on the carpet. One has a lot of details, one has almost none. This one I got new, so there's only this page now filled in. The other one I had for a moment, and I'm making my way through it. Here's a short flip through to the pages. I'm actually quite proud of them. It's fun to match up the colors to the picture on the other side. But yeah, this is my project for this week. I hope you liked it. The links are in the description. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!